Okay, I'm changing these stems, and they're not easy to do. You gotta take your splashboard apart, stick a screwdriver underneath. You're gonna see that plastic thin there. Push it down to hold the plastics down. And what those do, they have two little um, pieces of plastic that go between the optics when you push the button down. Anyways, I use the screwdriver to hold the plastic down, and I'll wiggle this off. Once you have it off, you turn it upside down. Put your finger right on the chip on top, and take a needle nose pliers and bend all these. You have to bend them straight, but you gotta do it without breaking any chips off on the edge. One by one until you get them all. Sometimes you have to just work at it like that. See, it's nice and straight there. This one, I gotta bend that. See the optic eyes? That's where that little plastic goes between on both sides. Optic eyes. Okay. Another one right there. Once you get them over, pull this cover off. This doesn't want to come off because that's still bent. So, gotta straighten that out. You can see it's still bent. See that? Once you get it straight, it will come out. And once it comes out, you pop it off from one side. I like pushing it inside like that, and it comes out. Because there's little tabs inside that hold this piece of plastic in. Roll it over.